Good morning, traders. Super excited you guys are here today. Ended up just 1 for 1 today. Cut it off early. Today's one of those days I have to remind myself, Kevin, you can always look back and say, wish I could have done this, wish I could have done that. That's how life is as a day trader. Every single day, every single trade you make, you're always going to be looking back. It'll absolutely drive you crazy. You just have to accept what you did was what you wanted and move on. So one stock I missed, didn't get filled on it. The next stock I got in, bottom ticked it, and took baby profits when the thing moved much further. I've eliminated most emotions when trading because I start with a third or fourth position size. But as far as the emotions go, when I don't get filled or when I kept my winners too early, those emotions still get heightened quite often, and I realize that and then just shut it down a little bit early. That way there's no over trading, no revenge trading. We're focused, we're disciplined enough to say, I understand what's going on and I do not want to let my emotions drive my trading. I'm in the driver's seat. The emotions can stay in the passenger seat or we can lock them up in the trunk. All right, traders, let's get into it. IOTS just pulled this one up. Here's what I'm looking at on the daily. We got this thing moving down. It's sold off below the 50-day before, but really healthily been above it for a long time. So if we get down near like $9, $9.25, probably going to start this because when we see this go below the 50, it pops back up above it. So getting oversold on the daily, getting oversold intraday. Some panic going on right here. Looking at IOTS, going to at least throw it on the watch list and see if we get more panic. It's a little slow right now, not moving very fast. We want it to be fast because the faster the move, the weaker that trend is going to be. SSR is on. That means short sale restriction. So you cannot short this on the bid. You got to put your short on the ask, which may be why this isn't selling off as much as we want to. No shorts coming in to push it lower. This is only panic pretty much. So just longs. Getting exhausted, panicking out of this stock. NPTN, I do like what I'm seeing here. I'm going to put an order out under $6. Guys, I was trying to get in right there. That's what I'm looking at. NPTN, the stock coming right down to that 200-day moving average. Trying to get a little bit of a pop off of this 200-day moving average, which is right there at about 601. Now nice orders coming through on it. I'm going to turn my attention back over to IOTS. Okay, I just got IOTS 922 starter position there. Would really like it fast. So if we could see a really fast move down to 9 and under 9, that'd be great. NPTN, little aggravated there, guys. 617 right now. Missed that one. Just didn't get taken out there on NPTN, so little irritated on that one. 622 now, man. All right, IOTS. This one's working out for us though. 928 right now. We got 922 entry. Would have liked another ad here. This one to fall down to like $9 or so. All right, I'm gonna try to get out of this one. About 939. All right, we've been sitting here kind of stagnant for a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and take it right there around 937. When we sit stagnant for a few minutes, that's when I'm getting uncomfortable. I thrive on these stocks that are showing emotion. You can see the trader's emotions spilling out of these stocks, whether that's on the euphoric side or on the panic selling, understanding that this stock is SSR, so this is mostly all longs, selling their positions. It is all longs because shorts cannot sell on they can't short on the bid. So understanding longs and panicking out of a stock that's gapping down and just taking advantage of those emotions. I showed you guys the daily chart, like looking in the mirror of the stock and seeing, okay, when this thing did this last, what did it do? And it pulled back up, after it went under that 50-day moving average. So with that in mind, and also the panic here and the stock being oversold, just a nice high probability setup. This one ended up popping up even higher than where I got out of 943 right now. Ended up getting a bottom tick on it, so happy there. But this is going to be the only trade today. I missed NPTN, so not happy there. A little emotional there, actually. IOTS now getting back above that 50-day. Take a look at the chart here. Popped under it. Now it's starting to climb back to get back over that 50-day. So exactly, what we thought there on IOTS. And probably should have been more patient here on this stock. You see where I got out? Those are 2-minute candlesticks. So it was sitting there for about 2 minutes right there at 937. Did not like how it was, just hovering right around there at 937. It was making me think, okay, some of these guys that were buying the dip are now going to be getting out. Ended up working out. Should have been patient with it, of course, as always. Or maybe just scale out, half or so. But that's the name of the game. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. All right, traders, let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. That's going to be it for today. A little irritated from NPTN, not getting that. So just going to wrap it up with the one and done, guys. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you all first thing tomorrow.